Let's talk about how easy it is to install the Facebook Messenger chat into a WordPress or Avada theme WordPress site. All you do is go to your plugins, add new, type in Facebook Messenger, and choose the Facebook Messenger chat by Facebook. After you've installed it, click Activate, and then once it's activated, you'll see Customer Chat right here. Go ahead and set up Customer Chat. First, you want to select the page. Could suck if you have 500 pages like myself. Hit Continue, Next, and you can change greetings here if you'd like, or customize them. Just going to go with the basic. Here's something cool. If you want to customize the color, I know this client's red, so I'm just going to choose red. You can do that. Finish, and you're done. One thing that caught me the first time is don't forget to save changes right here, otherwise your changes will not take effect. Also, don't forget to back up your site. Haven't had any crashes or any problems with this. Not sure why it only has 4 reviews, but it's an excellent quick way to get Facebook Messenger on your site. Let's check out what it looks like, final product. And there it is. Hope this video helps you install Messenger on your site. Please leave a comment if you found any good automated bots to do automated messaging with this plugin. I'd like to hear your feedback. Thanks. Have a great day.